Hey, what's up? Another unboxing video. Today's Skunk 2 part is adjustable front camber kit for 96 to 2000 Civic. There's a part number, and this is the Pro Series Plus. Top of the line. I just opened mine right now. That's how you know it's Skunk 2. Always in the silver box. Here we go. Both control arms. Manual. These must be pins. Oh, they're pins. Yeah. So if you're missing cotter pins on your build right now, just know that these ones come with pins. So you don't need to go find some. That's awesome. Skunk 2 sticker. And warranty tag with the brochure. Warranty tag. And brochure of all Skunk 2. It's pretty sick. I got like everything they sell in the back here. Okay, first glance, it's packaged really good. It's like double packaged. It's wrap and bubble wrap, and it's in their Skunk 2 packaging. So packaged up really nice. That's how you know it's real, boy. Skunk 2 Racing bushings. Now I've learned that anything in the front of the car is gonna have the 8 marks on their bushing, and anything for the rear of the car, like rear camber kit, lower control arms, those are gonna have 5 points on the bushing. A lot of research I did to find that one. I mean, just look how well these are put together. They got clips on bottom and top side of the boot on the ball joint. That way it just keeps all the shit inside. It's like very, very nice. Love that you can adjust it from the rear. From the bottom. It's gonna make it so much easier, rather than the regular ones just come from the screws being on top. Alright, pull them out of the box, and these things are blinging. You could adjust them from the bottom, right? Everything's just like super light. I mean, these are a couple pounds, but I'm imagining the OEM ones are way bulkier. And they're labeled left and right. Right, left. Both have the warranty badge. I mean, it looks like Skunk 2's up in their game. Patent pending. Must be on this little ball joint. And it's sweet they come with ball joints, because mine are shot, blowing grease out. And these are replaceable, I believe, too, like 60 bucks. But yeah, fucking really nice. There you go, front camber kit, Skunk 2 Pro Series Plus. Comes with everything you see here, including the clips you need for the ball joints. Just a really clean product, man. I'm going with the Skunk 2. It's just quality. I'm not trying to buy cheap parts. Even though I'm about that eBay life, I paid $210 for these shipped. I mean, I believe they're $280 on the website, so wherever you can get a deal, but you know it's real from obviously the important key parts. Here's the part number one more time. Pro Series Plus adjustable front camber. Can't wait to put it on my hatch.